Let's learn how to log out from Twitter or the new X account. Welcome back to a new tutorial, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out from the X in a few simple steps. Whether you want to use another Twitter or X account or simply to take a break, then you need to open the application and go to the home page. From here, click on the profile picture in the top left corner. The side menu will pop up. From here, expand the Settings and Support option and click on the Settings and Privacy. New window will open up. At the very top, we're going to see an option called Your Account. Click on it. We are going to need the option called Account Information. Here you are going to see a bunch of information about our X account. The option that we need is at the very bottom. So click on the button Logout and the pop-up window will show up. It's going to ask us if we are sure that we want to log out of our X account. Click Log Out. And that's essentially how we can log out from our X account or Twitter account on iOS and Android devices. That will be it from our tutorial. If you are interested in anything else on topic X, check out our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.